Just come to do a cavity wall insulation extraction at Blackpool. I'll just show you the state of the bead insulation. So this is the EPS bead insulation. As you can see, it's all soaking wet. It's all wet inside the cavity. All the beads are wet, and with it being a coastal area as well, the cavities are just full of sand. So they've put the insulation on the top of the wet sand. Show you inside. You can see all the internal walls are wet, and all the sand build up over the years what's inside the cavity. And this is why they shouldn't really install insulation in coastal areas. Thanks for watching.